Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be filming a few videos, so please disregard the fact that I might be wearing the same shirt in all my videos. You know, I'm so comfy, I did not want to change. But I do have different boxes and stuff to show you guys. So, today we're going to be doing my Play by Sephora Luxe box. And this is the Luxe 3. So it's the one that just came out and I'm super excited. It took me a while to pick this up because it kept going out of stock. So I was on there every 5 minutes and finally I was able to add it to my box. And they actually sent me an email telling me that it was going to be delayed and I was going to get just a partial shipment because I picked up a few other things. And I was surprised to see it in the box with the rest of my order. So this is exciting. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty hollow packaging here, and then it's a nice purple box. And we're gonna get rid of this. Maybe. Okay. Didn't want to rip it, but I'm gonna have to. There we go. Okay, so again, it's the purple box. We're gonna open this up. This is what it looks like inside. And the Play by Sephora Luxe boxes, they cost between $20 and $25. I think this one was $25. You get more high-end or luxury products in your boxes. And they come with this little pack of cards that have the information of all the products inside the box. So if we take them out, this is what they look like. And this one tells you it's the volume 3, and it says because more is more. Coat your skin, lips, and lashes in pure luxury made to elevate the everyday. So that's super cool. So let's see what's in the box. Okay. So the first thing I see is something that has come in these boxes before. And it's the Lemire Creme de Lemire. So it's this little baby right here. And I actually have another one that I'm still using. And this one is just their moisturizing cream. So that's pretty cool. The next thing in here is the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, which is this little guy, and I love this stuff. So I actually have one that I'm still using, and I ordered a couple of the Sephora favorite skin sets that had this in it so that I wouldn't run out. So I'm super excited that this one's in here. Next thing in here is from Amore Pacific. It says the Essential Cream Fluid. So it's this one, and it says experience the lightweight texture and instant hydration of a fluid with the long-lasting benefits of a rich cream. Apply 1 to 2 pumps after cleansing and toning. So it's this one, and let me open this one up. And this year, you guys, I have for the last few months been really trying to get into skincare more than the makeup portion. Because makeup I have a lot, but skincare is so important. And here's the little vial. So it's nice and full actually. Pretty cool. So I'm super excited that they include more luxurious skincare in these boxes. The next thing is from Dior, and it's the Dior Show Pump and Volume. And it's in black pump, so it's this little package right here. And I actually have not tried this one. Let me take it out of the little box. Oh, how cute. And it's in the shape of the full-size item. It's got the little indentations on the side. So that's pretty cool. I'm not going to open it because I still have a lot of mascaras I got to try before this one. And there's 2 more things in here, so let me take those out. And let me put this to the side. Okay, so the next one is from Kilian. It says, I don't need a prince by my side to be a princess. So it's this right here. Oh, how cute. So it slides up and you get your perfume. And it's a really nice big sample of that perfume. So that's pretty cool. I love that. Oh my gosh. Okay. And the last thing is actually what I'm more excited about. I know I am like a lipstick addict, okay? I have every color, but I can always use more. And this one is from Tom Ford, and it's the Ultra Rich Lip Color. And I'm definitely going to butcher the name because I think it says Lemire. Okay. I don't think you guys can see it, but the name is up there. But this is the little packaging. It's super cute. And we're going to take it out because I'm super excited to see it. Oh my gosh. So it's in their white packaging. There we go. Oh. And it's a really pretty bright red. There we go. This is beautiful. Oh my god, it smells like vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. So this is what I was super excited about. I'm super excited. Okay, so for $25, this box was actually pretty good. And I was really excited that this time around, Sephora actually put a picture up of what was going to be in the box. All the items that were going to be in the box. So I'm super excited, super thrilled. Hopefully they will bring this one back. I did check before I filmed and it was still out of stock. So we'll see what happens. I can't put this in there. But that's everything in our box. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you picked this up, let me know what products you're more excited about. And if not, I will let you guys know if it does come back in stock. So make sure to keep checking that description box. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, so that way you will know first, okay? Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you hit that like button if you guys like the Sephora Play Luxe unboxings. And don't forget to hit the little subscribe button down there. This year I am hoping to post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we will see. I will definitely try my hardest and maybe an occasional video here and there on a Sunday. But definitely at least those 2 days. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.